Hey everyone! Imagine you're driving smoothly, but suddenly, your transmission starts acting up, delayed shifting, rough gear changes, or even getting stuck in one gear. You scan for trouble codes, and P0927, gear shift forward, actuator control circuit low appears. This means the forward gear shift actuator isn't receiving enough voltage, causing shifting problems. In this video, I'll show you where the sensor is located, what causes this problem, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is DTC P0927? DTC P0927 relates to the forward gear shift actuator, which controls how your car engages forward gears. If the circuit has low voltage, the actuator may fail to engage gears properly. Common symptoms of P0927. If your car has this code, you may notice car struggles to shift into drive, delayed or harsh gear changes. Transmission stuck in one gear, also called limp mode, check engine light or transmission, warning light on, jerking or slipping while accelerating. To diagnose P0927, check these key components. Forward gear shift actuator, also called shift solenoid. Location, typically inside the transmission housing near the valve body. Some models have it externally mounted on the transmission casing. Function, controls hydraulic pressure to engage forward gears in automatic transmissions. Transmission Control Module or TCM. Location, usually near the engine bay fuse box or inside the dashboard. Function, regulates the signals sent to the forward gear actuator. Gear position sensor, location, mounted on the transmission case near the shift linkage. Function, detects the selected gear and sends data to the TCM. Wiring and connectors, location, runs between the forward gear actuator TCM and fuse box. Function, ensures proper voltage and signal transmission. Tip, if you notice erratic shifting, check for loose connections at the TCM and actuator. What causes P0927? Here are the most common reasons. Faulty forward gear actuator. If it's malfunctioning, it won't apply enough hydraulic pressure. Damaged wiring or loose connections. Corroded or broken wiring can cause low voltage. Blown fuse or faulty relay. A blown fuse in the transmission circuit can disrupt power to the actuator. Defective TCM. If the TCM fails, it may not send the right signals to engage forward gears. Low or contaminated transmission fluid. Dirty or low fluid can cause hydraulic failures. How to fix P0927? Follow these steps. Step 1. Check transmission fluid. Ensure fluid levels are correct and not contaminated. Step 2. Inspect the wiring and connectors. Look for frayed, corroded, or loose wires. Step 3. Test the forward gear actuator. Use a multimeter to check voltage. Step 4. Check the fuses and relays. Step 5. Scan and reset the code. After making repairs, use an OBD-II scanner to clear the code and test gear function. Ignoring P0927 can leave you stuck in a single gear. Checking the forward gear actuator, TCM, wiring, and transmission fluid can help you quickly fix the issue. For more troubleshooting and fixes, check out these videos. P0720, output speed sensor circuit malfunction. P0721, output speed sensor circuit range performance. This is IG Garage, your go-to source for car repairs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.